Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Dr. Boyce Watkins, and I am leaving Atlanta. I just went to the Foundational Black Americans Conference. Tariq Nasheed hosted it. I met a lot of great people there, and it was a really great event. And I want to shout out my Black business of the day, which is Black and Mobile. Black and Mobile is out of Philadelphia, and it's two young brothers who actually came out of the Black Business School. One of the brothers did, and he had stopped me on the street about maybe a year or two, or maybe a couple years ago, and he told me that he had gone to the Black Business School, and he also had started this great business, and now the business has taken off. It's actually his business was actually featured in the Jay-Z video on Entrepreneurs. So I was really proud of him, and I want to give a shout out to Black and Mobile. If you want us to shout out your Black businesses, follow the Black Business School, the Real Black Business School on Instagram. We shout out Black businesses all the time, and we want to support you. So the Real Black Business School on Instagram. Now, with that said, let's talk about Tesla and Battery Day. Battery Day is coming up. That's a very big deal for Tesla. I own quite a bit of Tesla stock. A lot of you do. Tesla stock has done really amazing things this year. It's up by about 428% this year, which is pretty massive. Also, on the 22nd, Battery Day, you're going to see a lot of volatility in the stock as everybody's going to sort of get positioned for what I call a pregnant moment. This pregnant moment means something's going to be born. Something's going to come out, and the market's either going to love it or hate it. I personally believe the market's going to love it because I think Elon Musk is kind of a modern day Barnum and Bailey kind of figure, larger than life, and everybody's excited about what he's doing. Now, here's the interesting thing in terms of tangibles from previous days where Musk has made big announcements. In I think 2016, he did something like maybe it was Solar Panel Day or something related to the production of solar panels in 2016, and this is what led to stockholders approving his acquisition of Solar City for about $2.9 billion. Well, 4 years later, there aren't any solar panels hardly being produced by the company. It's being produced, but not at a huge scale. So to some extent, some of Musk's announcements are bigger than they end up becoming. His eyes are bigger than his stomach sometimes. Also, you had some shortcomings on, there was another announcement that he had, I forgot what it was, that related to, I know what it was, self-driving cars. So, last year he said, by the third quarter of 2020, we'll have completely total self-driving cars where you can just look out the window and the car will drive itself. Well, that has yet to be done. So, just because he's making the announcement doesn't mean it's going to become real. So the question becomes, how much does the market believe him? Well, right now, a lot of the market believes him. A lot of the analysts are upgrading their price targets for Tesla stock to some as low as $400 a share, which is actually lower than what it's trading at right now, but some as high as $475, $515, and then there's some people that have super long-term projections that are as high as $15,000, which is insane. So expect a lot of volatility. Battery Day is going to be a very big deal, and that's what it is. So last thing I want to mention is, as you guys know, I like to give a stock pick of the week and let you know which stock I'm going to invest in and why. Well, I'm going to buy some Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson looks good. Analysts like it. They pay a good dividend, and they also have good growth projections for the future. And most importantly, they benefit from any advancements in the coronavirus situation. Chances are they may be supported and approved on a vaccine. They're doing trials like all the other companies, and they're just such a great player that I want to add them to my portfolio. So I am going to add Johnson & Johnson right now. If you want to see all of my stock picks and everything that I pick each week, feel free. I actually tell my students what I'm adding to my portfolio. I do something called What Dr. Boyce is Buying. So if you're interested in joining our stock market investing program, you can do the first month for $1. You can go to theblackstockmarketprogram.com, THE, that's theblackstockmarketprogram.com. I'm out of here, guys. Please hit the thumbs up button, share, and subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.